Something strange was happening on a quiet Italian workbench. Metal was waking up, and no one yet understood why. It's the year 1800. The air smells faintly of oil and damp stone. In a modest room in Italy, stacks of silver and zinc discs are being arranged with careful, almost reverent precision. Between them, thin layers of brine-soaked cloth. No sparks, no flames, just silence. And yet, something invisible is about to move. At the time, electricity is a mystery bordering on superstition. Some believe it's a fluid trapped inside living creatures. Others think it's a trick of motion or muscle or magic. Experiments with frog legs twitching under metal probes have only deepened the confusion. Is life itself the source of electricity? Or is electricity something far older? This question haunts Alessandro Volta. Volta doesn't shout. He doesn't rush. He observes. Where others see frogs and mussels, he sees metals and contact. He notices something subtle. When two different metals touch, something happens, even without life involved. A quiet force flows, unseen but undeniable. So he builds. Layer by layer, metal by metal, Volta stacks his discs into a column. When he completes it, he touches the ends with a wire and feels it. A steady, continuous current. Not a fleeting spark, not a twitch, a flow. This is the moment everything shifts. Electricity is no longer a biological curiosity. It's no longer trapped inside animals. It is born from chemistry itself, from reactions, from contact, from matter rearranging at the smallest scale. The realization lands like thunder. If chemistry can create electricity, then electricity can reveal chemistry. Suddenly, the world looks different. Matter is no longer inert. Every substance hides potential energy. Every reaction whispers of forces waiting to be unlocked. This simple stack of metal becomes a key, opening doors to electrolysis, to chemical bonding, to the idea that nature runs on invisible exchanges. The electric battery is more than an invention. It's a bridge between physics and chemistry, between observation and control, between curiosity and power. From this quiet experiment will come telegraphs that shrink continents, machines that store energy, and sciences that probe atoms themselves. All because someone dared to believe electricity did not belong to life, but to nature as a whole. And it started without lightning, without drama, just metal, cloth, and a question asked carefully enough to change the world. If stories like this spark something in you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what invisible force do you think we're only beginning to understand?